Hi, in this quick video I will explain to you the concept of the singular they in English. When you initially learnt English, you learnt about the concept of personal pronouns such as he, she, they, them, and so on. These words can be very useful when referring to different people, but by nature these words are gendered. This can be problematic in academic writing, particularly when you are referring to a general person. For example, the phrase the teacher could refer to someone from any gender, so using a gendered pronoun can marginalize others. As a result, it is now common practice to avoid gendered language in academic writing by using the pronouns they, them, or their as singular. So for example, instead of saying the student submitted his work, you could say the student submitted their work. Similarly, instead of saying the teacher said that she had many assignments to grade, you could say the teacher said that they had many assignments to grade. In both cases, the pronouns their and they are used as singular pronouns. This improves the flow of writing and avoids the marginalization of certain groups of people. It is important to remember that even though you can use they, them, or their as singular pronouns, they are also still plural pronouns. So you would still say the students attended their classes. In this sentence, their is used as a plural word because you used students earlier in the sentence. So in conclusion, remember that even though you were previously told that you could only use they, them, or their as plural pronouns, you can actually also use them as singular pronouns, particularly in academic writing. This avoids gendered language, making your writing more inclusive. Thank you.